Meet Sarah, an entrepreneur grappling with business challenges. Her secret weapon? 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Searching for a breakthrough, Sarah stumbles upon the revolutionary 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. A world of possibilities opens up. From enhancing customer engagement to streamlining operations, these prompts are a game changer for Sarah. Every prompt sparks innovation. Sarah's strategies evolve, bringing newfound efficiency and creativity to her business. The result? Thriving sales, satisfied customers, and an invigorated team, all thanks to the diverse applications of ChatGPT prompts. Sarah's success story becomes an inspiration. Leveraging the power of ChatGPT prompts, she's now a role model for entrepreneurs. It's your turn to transform your business. Easy access, diverse applications, all for free. Sign up like Sarah and many others. Join a global network of entrepreneurs harnessing these prompts for growth, innovation, and success. Visualize your success story, rewritten with the help of 3,000 ChatGPT prompts, just like Sarah's. Take the leap. Start your journey of transformation with these 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts today. Click, sign up, and embark on your journey to business excellence with 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Your future awaits. Empower your business vision. Get started with 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts now.